Another Sunday sit down. My second book is almost done with the editor, so I'm really excited about that. That's news piece number one. News piece number two is make sure that you're always trying to do something to fix what's in between your ears, right? You need to have self-development every single day. Whether it be something as small as just learning something new, or something as in like telling yourself an affirmation like, oh, I am beautiful, I am smart, I am worthy of love. That's very important stuff. The power of thought is crazy. But what I want to talk to you guys about today is rate of return. What do I mean by that? Okay, so there's a lot of gurus out there like Dave Ramsey or something like that. He's a big one. It's going to tell you to pay your mortgage off early, right? But if you go into do your research online, sure, if you throw like an extra $85 a month at your mortgage, you're going to take like 10 years off the mortgage. Okay, great. Depending obviously on the size of the mortgage, right? Okay, cool. Yeah, that's 10 years. But, for a 30-year loan, an extra $85 a month might not seem like a lot. But what if you invested that $85? What if you put that into the pay yourself first mentality, right? Because if you were able to get, 7 or 8, 10% on that investment, you're going to make over $100,000 over that 30-year period. And so like you might save 15K on the principal or interest. Over the life of the 30 years by paying it off sooner, save yourself 10 years and $15,000. But over that same period of time, you could actually end up earning, an extra $100,000. So you're going to have like an $85,000 difference. Obviously, I don't have numbers to show you at this very moment, but you can do the math yourself, right? Find a safe investment. I can help you with that, where you could actually grow your money and protect yourself from the downside of the market, so you're not going to lose money. And, you're just going to end up leveraging your cash better. So that's just a lesson that I want to talk to you guys about today. I understand there's no substitution for peace of mind of home ownership. If you own your home outright, then boom, you're like, yes, I am free and clear of that debt. However, a mortgage is kind of like a smart debt. It's not like credit card debt. So if you have questions, let me know. I'm more than happy to sit down one-on-one. We can talk about your personal financial situation. That's what I do. I just want to help people better understand how to use money, how money works, and how to make sure that their plans are in a practical place for the future. All right, guys. Thanks again.